In this video, you are going to learn about refractive index and problem solving on the basis of refractive index. Here we have two different mediums, air and water. Air has less density, so that is known as rarer medium, and water has more density, that is known as denser medium. You observe here, this is the incident ray and this is refracted ray. This is normal drawn at the point of incidence. This is the point of incidence, and this is the interface between these two mediums. Here the light ray travels through the air and then into the water. What is happening here when a light ray is traveled from one medium to another medium? Its direction changes. Why its direction changes? It depends on the density of the medium. Here, when a light ray travels from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. It bends towards the normal. If a light ray travels from denser medium to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. This phenomena is known as refraction. But what is refractive index? Let us know the definition of refractive index here. Refractive index is nothing but it is the ratio of the speed of light in a vacuum to the speed of light in a specific medium. The velocity of light in air and glass are 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second and 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Find the refractive index of glass. Here we have formula n equal to c by v to find the refractive index. Here n is the refractive index, so we have to substitute the values, two values. C is the velocity of light in air and v is the velocity of light in glass. So substituting these two values, we get 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second by 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. So here we get 3 by 2, that equal to 1.5. The refractive index of diamond is 2.5. Find the velocity of light in the diamond. So in the problem given that refractive index, but we have to find the velocity. Refractive index n equal to 2.5 is given and we have to find the velocity v. So what is the basic formula here? N equal to c by v. So here from this formula you write v to the left side and n to the right side. We will get v equal to c by n. So substituting these values, n value and v value here, n value and c value. C value is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. We will get the answer 1.2 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. The refractive index of glass is 3 by 2. Find the velocity of light in the glass. In this problem, refractive index n is given, n equal to 3 by 2. We have to find the velocity v. So the basic formula is refractive index n equal to c by v. From this formula we will get v equal to c by n. Here we have to find v. C value is a fixed value, that is the speed of light in vacuum or air, 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, and n is given in the problem 3 by 2. Substituting these values we will get 3 into 10 to the power of 8 by 3 by 2. So this is, we will get 3 into 10 to the power of 8 into 2 by 3. From this we will get the answer 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second.